Welcome back. And if it's your first time joining me, I am so glad to have you and I hope to see you around here more. If you haven't already, go and slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it. I do not want you to miss a thing. Let's get right to it. I was sent some products to try from Unwash and I am trying 2 of them today. I am demoing my application of them for you and these are the results. So I'm gonna walk you through the demo of those application and then I will jump back in and I'll let you know what I did for styling. So let's head to the shower. Time to paint this mess. Let's start with the Unwash Anti-Residue Cleanse. It says it gently removes buildup. Free of harsh sulfate. Yeah. Ooh, like a gel. How much I use? It is jelly. Rubbing in the palm of my hand and going to apply to my scalp. I have hard water, so foam can be a bit more difficult. So just add water and more product if needed. Massage this into my scalp really well. So now we are going to reverse. Next up, I'm following with the Unwash Hydrating Masque. It advises to apply from root to tip, leave on for 3 or 4 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. This creamy but still fairly thin texture. It reminds me of like a sweetened condensed milk texture. My fingers are gliding through those tangles. Add a little bit more. If you've been with me for a bit, you know that once I'm done detangling, I like to add a little bit more. Just enough to smooth everything back together. Now, no raking from this point forward. All I've got left to do is wait 2 or 3 minutes for this deep conditioner to penetrate. Then I'm going to rinse out and style as usual. I'm not going to show you my styling in this video. If you need help with styling, I have a full wash face tutorial. I will link that below, and then I have a ton of other videos that can help you with individual points. process. So I'll check back in with you in a bit. Like I told you in the shower, I've walked you through my styling a few times before. If you need any of that, links are in below, and you can definitely go to my tutorial section. So once finished in the shower, I allowed to air dry about 50% of the way, and then I applied my styling product. Today I applied the Eco Natural Cocktail. It is the only product that is in my hair. Then I air dried a bit more of the way, diffused, you know the whole routine. If you don't, go check out my wash day routine. Either way, these are the results. Super happy, super happy. My hair feels completely clean. It feels completely hydrated. Yeah, I'm really happy. It's a good first time using them. Again, these were first impressions of the products. I'm gonna keep testing them and I will report back soon, but I did want you to share in the wealth because I'm very excited about how this turned out. Thank you so much for coming back by. I hope to see you again next time. If you haven't already, go hit that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it so you do not miss a thing, and I will see you later. Bye.